Whether you love the brand or not, everybody knows the name Louis Vuitton, and everybody associates the name with a product that is high quality, prestigious, and stands out from the rest. I've been fortunate enough to be able to purchase some pieces from Louis Vuitton over the years, and my favorite collection or motif that they put out is the Damier Graphite. This video is not meant to be a flex. You absolutely do not need to have these products in your life. These are luxury goods, and I only purchase these when I'm rewarding myself after reaching a milestone or achieving something huge in my life. They're not something that I pick up on the regular basis. So with that out of the way, I want to take you through the pieces from the Damier Graphite collection I own from Louis Vuitton, why each of them stands out to me as a favorite, and why you might want to consider these yourself if you're in the market for something like this. Before I get into it, let me tell you why the Damier Graphite finish is my favorite finish from Louis Vuitton. Everybody, of course, knows the classic brown checkered appearance of Louis Vuitton. That is their staple, their heritage design. But the Damier Graphite is my favorite because it kind of goes against everything that there is with that traditional appearance. It is way more subtle and way less showy and flashy. I know that sounds counterintuitive to buy a luxury product and then not want it to stand out, but you can want really nice quality things, but not want them to jump out and scream at everybody around you. That is sort of what I love about the Damier Graphite aesthetic. You get all of the quality benefits that Louis Vuitton offers with their heritage and their history, but without sort of the showmanship aspect of it so much. So I'll start in order from my oldest piece to the newest piece I've picked up from Louis Vuitton. And the oldest piece in my collection is the Slender wallet in that Damier Graphite canvas. This wallet is now 10, maybe even 11 years old. And overall, it's really, really impressive how well it stood up against the test of time. There is a little bit of wear and tear on the bottom surfaces of the wallet where it's rubbing and coming into contact with my coat, my jeans, anything else I might place it in, or if it's being shuffled around in the car, stuff like that. But overall, this wallet still looks fantastic for its age. Now, Louis Vuitton makes a bunch of different wallets for men and women. However, this one I gravitated towards most because it has the most possible slots for cards. Unlike some people that have really gone all in on the minimalistic lifestyle and reducing the number of cards that they carry with them, I unfortunately do have quite a few for personal and business use that I need to carry with me every day. So the 8 slots on this wallet really sold me on it. It has a more than sizable enough slot on the top for bills. It can't hold all that many, but I typically don't carry a lot of cash. There's also 2 inner slots between the credit card slots and the bill compartment. You could use them as sort of a bonus slot for a card or something to that effect, maybe a photo. It of course has the coated canvas on the outside and a cross-grain leather lining. And as the name says, it's slender. You can tuck it into an inner coat pocket or your back pocket of your pants, your jeans, wherever you'd like. Very easy to stow and carry with you every day. It doesn't stick out, it's not bulky, it's just right. My next piece from Louis Vuitton is a more recent addition. I've only had this for I think 2 years now, and it's the Damier Graphite Keep It bracelet. It's wrapped in that beautiful Damier Graphite canvas all the way around and finished with very nicely done silver hardware. The clasp is really solid. I've never had this piece slip or fall off my wrist or get accidentally detached, and the stainless steel pairs very nicely with any steel watch in my collection, and definitely would pair nicely with any steel watch in your own collection as well. I love wearing this bracelet. I wear it all the time, and the reason for that is nobody is going to know who makes it. They're not going to see the LV branding on it. It's so subtle, yet so well executed. I think it's a great piece for the money. The black and silver pairs nicely with a myriad of outfit designs and outfit styles, watches, and can easily be stacked with other bracelets as well to create a complementary appearance. I just love wearing it. It's so subtle and so well done. And again, that hardware is very, very solid. LV could have absolutely cheaped out on the hardware because they invest so much time and energy in the branding and the appearance of the leather and the finish. But no, they did go the extra mile and make the entire piece complete, solid, and very well executed and designed. And that brings me to the latest pickup in my collection from Louis Vuitton, and it's the Damier Graphite passport cover. I got this after my wedding to celebrate my wife and I hopefully doing lots more traveling together. And this, again, I selected for very particular reasons, not just because of the aesthetic and design and the brand name. So this passport cover has 2 flying pockets, 1 flat pocket, so plenty of room to store your passport regardless of where it's being issued. My Canadian passport fits in here like a charm, but it also has credit card slots as well. I can fit not just some travel insurance cards in the top, but I also have a Nexus card, a Nexus Pass. If you are Canadian and you travel across the border frequently, I would strongly recommend you get a Nexus. It saves you so much time at the border crossing and also when you're flying into the US. Pro tip for all my fellow travelers out there. So all of those cards can fit into this passport cover very easily. It's not just a one and done as some people do with just wraps the passport. It does have multifunction, it does have multiple additional slots, and it has that beautiful Damier Graphite finish all the way around. Now, I never tend to personalize my stuff just in case I decide to sell it on down the road, but both the wallet and this passport cover can be hot stamped with your initials or custom phrase, what have you, for no additional charge. It does add a little bit of time to the ordering process, but can be done if you wish, and that will add just another level of personalization and that little bit of added special touch for you to your LV products, should you wish to go that route. And of course, all these products look good, they feel good, they smell good, they're nice to touch, they're nice to hold, they feel every bit as premium as the price tag deserves and merits that they should. I have handled some other luxury brand products before, I'm not going to name any names, but they don't always seem to feel as good as they should for the price tag. But in my experience, Louis Vuitton is a very high quality fashion house. They've done a great job with all these products and their branding and the design and fit and finish. And the Damier Graphite is absolutely my favorite style from Louis Vuitton. They make not just the classic brown checker and the Damier Graphite, but a couple of other styles as well. If you want to check it out, of course, I'll leave links to the products featured in my collection down below for you. But let me know what you guys think. Are you Louis Vuitton fans? Do you care about this kind of high fashion luxury stuff whatsoever? I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next video.